How's it, guys? Hope you're well. We are chilling, RollingStoners. I promised you a sunset. That's what it looks like right there. Little guy walking around here, keeping watch. It's funny how I'm drawn to silence when this happens, almost as if you're expecting to hear something. And it just doesn't come. The wind settles down slightly. Everything goes quiet. As if the sun is impressing upon us to rest. Beautiful, gigantic, peaceful. I wrote a song called Galloping Sun, which is about the year of the fire horse and the fire horse within, and how chasing sunsets and sunrises has always been something I've done. Too beautiful. My daughter and I used to ride on my motorbike in Magaliesburg and the Cradle area to chase sunsets, which are unbelievable up there. Backdrop thunderstorms, gigantic clouds. It was really beautiful, something else. And my son, actually. I remember going to watch the sunrise on the bridge at Hartbeespoort Dam, which was one of the most special days of my life, actually. It was really cool. Anyway, enjoy your evening, guys.